our kapamillas all over the world. And today, on a special day, admiration overflows for the certified Chinito Crush.
Zian, first of all, congratulations sa movie ni Kim na bakit hindi ka crush ng crush mo. And have a very happy birthday.
Hi, Zian! Happy birthday sa'yo, Zian Lim. And be happy, be healthy. Dagdagan ko, napakasipag ng tao, alagaan ng katawan. Maraming blessings pa yan. And more birthdays to come. I love ya.
Happy birthday sa'yo. Sana masaya ka. Tsaka sana tuloy-tuloy ang pagpapakilig mo sa maraming babae.
Tiyan para sa akin is perfect gentleman kasi sobra siyang maalaga, sobra siyang bait, sobra siyang funny. I wish you all the best in life, more happiness and more blessings. Happy birthday!
Now, with a world-class performance, he's ready to make you fall in love once more. Together with the ABS-CBN Philharmonic Orchestra under the baton of Maestro Gerard Salonga, get ready to swoon for our birthday heartthrob, Zian Lim.